Hi guys, welcome back to another video. So today we are looking at AAVE, and this is one of the strongest altcoins as of now, in my opinion. So if you look here, the coin, the high this coin has is pretty high, around $600, which is a lot higher than its current price. So its current price is around 284, and if we look at its all-time high, which is still so far away, as you can see here. But again, if you look at this intense or this immense recovery that it did from hitting its lowest point, around $47, and as of now it actually ended up hitting $400 back in November, and again it is trying to go back to that same level. So this massive recovery level, which is basically over 500% increase in price, which is a massive recovery. So in this video we'll try to see what is happening with this coin and why it is the strongest as of now. So we'll just start right off on its utility. So the token is to be used for the governance. So as you can see here, the governance is active. Around they usually have a lot of proposals in every month, so that means the demand for the AAVE token is pretty high because of this governance. So I will talk about it, why this is very important, in just a second. And another utility that it has, that it can be used for their safety module. As you can see here, users can stake and get staking APR of 3.94. this is the total emission per day. As you can see here, around 500. And these are the two utilities that this coin has. Now to the governance, why this is very important. So if you look here, this is a DeFi llama, as you can see here, and this lists almost every DeFi product out there, and by chain and by other things. So this is AAVE. So this is the biggest DeFi project as of now. It even overtook Lido, as you can see here. And as of now, if we look at its market cap, its chain, it supports around 18 chains across various EVM and other chains, as you can see here. And if we just look at its TVL, its TVL is making new highs. So as of now, it is around 25 billion, which is a massive one. And if we look at by the chain, we have Ethereum, Arbitrum, Avalanche, Base, Sonic, and others. So it is pretty big across all of the chains, so that's massive. So now if we look at its TVL, which is over 24 billion, and if you look at its governance, now you can see that why the governance has the active governance actually increases the demand for the AAVE token. So basically, users can decide on various things that happen with the protocol, as it is a decentralized protocol. So the whole thing, or the thing that actually controls this AAVE itself, is the AAVE token. And if you look at its TVL, it's over 24 billion. So that means there are a lot of players involved as of now in this protocol because of this massive TVL, and eventually that impacts AAVE token itself. So I think overall, as long as the TVL starts to grow for the AAVE, I think the demand for the AAVE token will eventually grow even higher. So looking at its token itself, so if we look here, this is how it has performed in the past. So if we look at its market cap, if we look at its peak market cap, it was around 8 billion, and as of now it actually ended up hitting over 5 billion, and as of now it's around 4.3 billion. I think as the market starts to go up, but as of now the markets are going down, so it is unclear where the market is headed. But AAVE itself is holding pretty strong. As you can see here, it actually went to 4 billion, and it ended up recovering over 300 million in just, I think, 2 or 3 hours. So that is a massive recovery for the token itself. As you can see here, it is holding quite well. So even if we look at the price itself, it actually went as low as $265, and it ended up actually coming back to this level again. So I think the AAVE itself, as of now, it's very bullish, as you can see here. So hopefully if it continues to go up, I think we may be heading towards at least this level, which is going to be around 450 or even $400 seems to be the possible big resistance that it has as of now, but again it actually did go down, as you can see here, from December, and it actually ended up hitting $113. So that means it has in the past has actually gone down, so it is a double-edged sword, I would say. So again, if it continues to go up, we are most likely heading towards $400, and if the market goes down and the demand for the AAVE goes down, as you can see here, the TVL did start to go down from December. So if the TVL continues to go up, I think the price will go up for the token itself. So as of now, it seems like that it wants to go up, at least from the looks like. As you can see here, this is a very strong uptrend, and the token is actually holding quite well this uptrend line. So again, as of now, it is trying to break from $324 point. So if we do break out from here, we are most likely heading towards $376 next. That seems to be the resistance that it needs to actually cross. Here again, I will just put some lines. So this is the resistance, and as of now, again, this is a very strong uptrend. It is breaking, it is making higher highs. As you can see here, it actually broke this high as well recently. So again, I think the coin itself has a very strong price action as of now, so we are most likely heading even higher. And this price action is actually validated by this TVL. As the TVL is increasing, the price for the token is going up as well. So now looking at the token itself, as you can see here, most of the demand is on Ethereum, and the next big thing that has actually helped AAVE is the base. As you can see here, if we just go to their Twitter, this is what it looks like. So basically, AAVE crossed 1 billion TVL on base. I'm not sure why the DeFi Llama doesn't list that. On DeFi Llama, it shows around 600 million, but their Twitter says that it ended up hitting 1 billion, which is a massive, I think, which is a massive milestone that it just covered. But again, looking at the token itself, it's really strong as of now. So I think as long as the TVL continues to go up, the price for the AAVE token will continue to go up as well. So I think we are looking at this resistance, which seems to be a pretty strong one. Hopefully the market recovers, and the AAVE will most likely follow the market and will most likely go up. But as of now, it is one of the most strongest altcoin. If you look at the rest of the market, it is up around 14% in the last 7 days, 14% in last 14 days, over 24% in last 30 days. And if you look at yearly gain, it is a lot. So I think overall the token is looking very bullish. But again, if it does continues to go up, it will go up. But if the market if we see a massive crash, I think we could actually test somewhere around $240. There also seems to be a pretty strong support as well for the coin, as you can see here. So this is a pretty strong support, I think. Again, this is it. I hope you like the video. I will be back with more. Thanks for watching.